Today we are going to study nouns. Noun, the naming word. What is noun? We are little bit familiar as in class 1 and 2 we have heard about the naming words noun. So let's study more about it. Name of person like father, mother, postman, nurse. They are the names or the designations given, or like Ajay, Anil, Vijay, Alex. There are different names of the people. They all are the naming words. Like the name of the animals: lion, tiger, horse, cat, dog. Name of the place is church, school, park. Things: books, ball, bag, car, table. All are the name of the person, place, things, and animals. So, what are they? They are the naming words. They are the nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming word, means noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. So, basically, we can say that any naming word, when there is any name of anything, whether it is bird, animal, anything, human being, everything is noun. So, how can we identify a noun? What is noun? How can we identify? Everything around us has a name, and when anything is having a name, it is a noun. So, noun, when everything is having a name, how can we differentiate that what is noun, what is common, what is proper? Because in the previous class, in class 2, you have studied about the proper and the common nouns. Like you, what are the things you like to eat? We like noodles. Noodles? Which noodles? Maggi noodles. I like biscuits. Oreo biscuit. The car, the most favorite car is of all is Audi. The singer whom I like most, Justin Bieber. So here you are getting a little bit idea of the common or the proper noun, like the chocolate Snicker, name of the chocolate, toy Barbie, drink Coca-Cola, continent Asia, ocean Pacific Ocean. So here we are just differentiating the common and the proper noun. So let's study what is common noun. The term common noun is an identification name of any place, person, thing, object, or idea which is used commonly in the place of a proper noun. Children are playing games in recess time. So, here, children. It's the name of a group of children. He has spread a perfume in the entire house. So, here he is talking about the perfume and the house. Our tunnel is going to be started very soon. So here we are discussing about the tunnel. So what is the noun over here? Tunnel. Mother's milk is very good for the baby's health. So here we are discussing about the mother's milk. So mother is the noun. Common noun. A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a statement or a sentence. Like teacher, baseball, flower, city, all are having the common name, so they are called the common nouns. Now let's how common noun is different from the proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a special or a particular person, place, thing, or animal. Like if I am talking about a girl, she is a girl, or her name is Sweetie, Pretty. The girl's name, the boy Alex. When a boy is having a particular name, like I'm talking about a building, Eiffel Tower. I'm talking about a place, Taj Mahal. So they are the name of Taj Mahal in Agra. So we are discussing about the building, a thing in the Agra city. A proper noun can be made up of more than one word. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. So what is the relationship between a common noun and a proper noun? So as I have already just shown you a little bit idea that the common noun is the name of a common things and proper noun is the name of a particular thing. Like when I am talking about fruit. So children, do you like fruits? I love fruits. How many fruits you like? I like so many type of fruits like strawberry, apple, banana, mango. You can just think of more fruits. Now teacher, who is your favorite teacher? The name of your favorite teacher is a proper noun. Boy, Ali, Alex, Ajay. You can think of more names, books. Like I love the book Alice in Wonderland. I love Harry Potter series. I like storybooks. City? I'm discussing about so many cities: Agra, Delhi, Mumbai, China. China is the name of a country, sorry. Biscuit, Oreo, Parle, Milano, so many type of biscuits. City, Honda, car, Honda City, Maruti Suzuki. Then they are the name of the brands. So here you can understand I am telling about the common things and their particular names or proper names. Now shoes, Bata shoes or name of different shoes we are discussing here. So let's start a common noun and a proper noun. How we can understand or differentiate between a proper noun and a common noun. Common nouns are the names of any person, place or thing or animal like boy, student, girl, teacher, bag, float, television. Proper noun is the name of a particular place, thing or animal. For example, Nick, Bic, LG, Sony, Yamaha, bench, the particular brand's names or the particular things names. Doll, ball pen, clothes like wear here, Barbie doll. What type of doll? Barbie doll. What type of ball pen? Pilot pen or Tombow. Or clothes, case, decase. Common noun names generic places, people, things or ideas. Proper noun names specific people, places, things or ideas. So here just I have told explained you the difference between the common noun and the proper noun. So let's do an exercise. What is it? You can see so many images given in the PPT. The person. Children, please identify the name of the persons here. Find out the person. See. How can we find out the person? Just so waiter. Here we are having chef, baby. These are the name of the persons only. Just the name of the person. Now, okay. So you can just write name of the person. Now things. Find out the things given here. Just find out things. See, bag, bill, car, boat. They are the things. Just find out the places here. See, restaurant, bathroom, kitchen. For example, places. Animals you have to do yourself too. Now here is a chart. You have to find out the proper noun and the common noun in the given chart. So this was a presentation by Aditi Singh. I hope you might have understood it. Thank you.